Oh my God. Well, you know you're fighting. It's not that funny, guys. I didn't think so either, guys.
I'm gonna cry. Hello.
You don't then start crying at the same time. Holy mother.
No, we don't cry.
I'm not crying.
We all
Did I ever tell you that when I did my niece's wedding?
You did your niece's wedding.
Bench chop.
I did the, what do you call it, the MC guys?
Did you do Vince Chop at
when I
the
got
wedding?
up on stage-
Vince Chop wasn't around then.
You don't take
No,
it.
this is real life.
It's a video, eh?
Anyways, just black.
Hey, Carl. It's a video.
I can't hear.
It's a video. Say
I
hi.
can't hear.
What's a video? What do you mean it's a video?
I'm filming you. I'm recording you.
For what?
For posterity.
Prosperity bullshit.
Posterity, not prosperity.
You should do it for the birthday man, not for me. It's not my birthday.
Well, you make me laugh.
Make you laugh.